So now that my baskets are loaded, I'm going to load the baskets into the pre-wash. And I have my pump on. And when I drop this basket in, because of the cups, I'm going to want to get water into the inside of the cup so that I burp that water out. These two items float, so they're going to go in to my plastic basket. And now we'll let this pre-wash soak for about 3 minutes. So we've been in the pre-wash for about 3 or 4 minutes now. So we're going to take a quick peek at the items before we move them to the ultrasonics. And what I might choose to do is to do a little touch-up before I go to the ultrasound, because this is a very heavy fire and I've got a lot of really heavy soot. So I'm going to take my spray gun and I'm going to go through and do a little pre-treat. So you can see in here, because that fire is so heavy, I might just take a sponge and just give it a quick knockdown so that when I go into the ultrasonics, I'm not having to leave it in there more than a few minutes. Oh, my cups look good. So now we're going to move this over to the ultrasound.